Okay, who said that?
Radvida.
Sanraj. Okay, that was a correct answer. But still, some if you want to give the answer, then
मैम केस लड़ना है.
means what? Ladne means what? To fight? Eh? Huh, Sufyan? Sufyan knows more better. Sufyan, do you know? Huh, Sufyan? No one has idea why do we go to courts?
मैम न्याय मिले इसलिए.
Nyay Milesli, to get justice. Yes, you could have answered this thing in English also. Yes. So to get justice, justice against what, beta? Huh? Justice against what? If something is wrong, something wrong has happened. है कि नहीं? Yes. If you are not satisfied by some things, then you go to court. Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh? Now, here in this lesson, we are going to see a lot of things about courts and their importance. What? Courts and their importance. How courts are important to us, right? How we get justice, and we are going to see different stories of injustice and why then that people go to court. Is it clear? So first one story is written over here about one king and one poor lady, right? So we'll first see that story and then we will move ahead. Okay. Yes. And Mohammed, can you read this story?
Yes, ma'am. Lesson number 3, courts and their importance. Read the story and answer the questions. There was once a king who lived in a grand palace. There was a river at a distance where the village washermen,
Washerman.
washermen would wash clothes daily. One day, the washerman and his wife were washing clothes till late in. It grew dark while they were returning home. Suddenly, a bullet came from the direction of the palace, which hit the watchman, killing him on the spot.
Hmm. So what is here in the story written? And Mohammed, what it is mentioned over here? Huh? What it is written? K a washerman daily goes to wash her clothes. Washerman means you don't know washerman and washerwoman.
Clothes wash.
Huh?
Cloth washer.
Clothes washer तो सही है, but who the person who washes clothes, right? Our clothes, right? They are known as washer man and washer woman. Now this she is a woman who goes for washing her own clothes. Okay. So what happens that according to a daily schedule, yes, she was going to wash her clothes, okay, with her husband or washerman. Okay. So what happens, beta? Husband and wife both are going to wash clothes, and it was dark while returning to the home. Andhera ho chuka tha. It was little dark. At the same time, what happens, beta? A bullet comes from the direction of the palace. Bullets means the thing, the this from a gun. Okay, not the bullet bike which we people are having, right? So a bullet came from the direction of the palace, which hit the washer man, killing him on the spot. Now this bullet came from the which side? From which side? From the side of
Palace
palace.
side.
Yes, from the side of palace. Yes, because there was one king who lived in a grand palace. Okay. So from where did the bullet come? From the palace side. You can see in this picture. Now her husband, this washerwoman's husband, dies on the spot. When she gets hurt from the bullet, she dies on the spot. What does happen, beta?
Dies on the spot.
हाँ, तो अब क्या करना होगा? Now what will that woman do? हाँ, what will that woman do, बेटा?
मैम वो
Any
पैलेस में गई.
क्यों पैलेस में गए?
राजा के पास जाएंगे।
क्यों? क्यों गए वहां पे?
मैम न्याय के लिए।
Yes, for the justice. Now, as beta, if we see, before many years before, there were no courts like that we have today. Yes, the justice was given where? In the king's court. है ना? जस्टिस
Yeah.
कहाँ पे मिलती थी? किंग के कोर्ट में, है ना? तो नाउ एज शी गोज टू द कोर्ट ऑफ किंग, बट बुलेट कहाँ से आई थी?
From the palace.
हाँ तो,
पैलेस।
हाँ फ्रॉम द पैलेस। तो अब क्या तकलीफ हुई बोलो? शी गोज टू पैलेस ओनली फॉर जस्टिस, है कि नहीं?
Yes.
है ना? तो विल शी गेट जस्टिस? व्हाट डू यू से?
यस।
Yes, she will get justice, right? So what happens that when she goes to the court, she says to the king that what had happened, right? So the king immediately seeks justice. He is such a person that he gives her justice. Understood? So we'll see ahead what happens then. On the next day, yes, and Mohammed, continue.
Okay. On the next day, the washerman's wife went to the court to speak justice. The king
Speak
listened.
nahi, beta. Seek justice.
Seek. Yes, ma'am. Seek justice. The king listened to her carefully. She said the bullet came from the direction of the palace only. The king thought over the matter of a while and asked her to come the next day. When the king invisi-
Investigated.
investigated the matter, he found out that it was the queen who had fired the shot. She was fond of hunting but had intention of killing the washerman.
Huh.
The,
Continue,
the,
continue.
yes, ma'am. The people of the village, including the washerman, washerwoman, went to the court. The next day, he asked the king to give her justice. He reassured her, saying, I will ensure that you get justice. Everybody was listening to this carefully.
Hmm. So what happens, beta? On the next day, as I said you previously, right? That on the next day, what the king will do? She, the washerwoman wife, went to the court to seek the justice. Justice कहाँ चाहिए थी? उनको justice चाहिए थी. तो where she will go? She went to the court. Okay. Now, beta, what happens? After listening, king, what did he do? He listened to her carefully, very carefully, and she said the bullet came from the direction of the palace. What did the king understood? That the bullet had come from the direction of the palace. जैसे कि वो वॉशर वुमेन ने बताया, है ना? जैसे वॉशर वुमेन ने डिस्क्राइब किया था, तो उससे उनको क्या समझ में आया कि बुलेट कहाँ से आई थी बेटा? Bullet,
डायरेक्शन ऑन द पैलेस।
yes, bullet had
Palace.
come from the direction of the palace, right?
पैलेस।
हाँ. So the king thought over the matter for a while. So king ने क्या किया? थोड़े टाइम के लिए सोचा. For a while he thought over the matter and asked her to come the next day. So what did he ask her then? कि भाई आप दूसरे दिन आओ, मैं इसके बारे में सोच के न्याय दूंगा. What did he say? Come the next day. And then king started investigating. Okay, what did he do? He investigated the matter and then he found that it was the queen. What did he found, beta? It was the queen who had fired the shot. किसने फायर किया था बेटा?
क्वीन
किसने?
ने।
हाँ, because वो क्या थी? She was very much fond of hunting. Okay.
यस।
हाँ. So she had fired the shot, right? She was fond of hunting. But my dear students, किंग ने ये भी फाइंड आउट किया इन्वेस्टिगेशन में कि she didn't have an intention to kill the washerman. उनका इंटेंशन नहीं था वॉशरमैन को मारना, पर फिर भी वॉशरमैन इज डेड. right? So the people of the village, including the washerwoman, went to the court the next day. She asked the king to give her justice, है ना? The next day washerwoman वापस गए कोर्ट में और फिर से जस्टिस मांगा कि मुझे न्याय दीजिए, है ना? एंड व्हाट डिड द किंग डू? ही रीएश्योर्ड हर सेइंग, उन्होंने अपने ही एश्योर्ड हर, है ना, और फिर रीएश्योर्ड किया. What did he do? He reassured her by saying, I will ensure that you get justice. क्या बोला उन्होंने? कि I will ensure that you get justice. And everybody was listening to this carefully. Everybody was doing what, beta? Everybody was listening carefully. Is it or not? Because सबको मालूम था कि ये कहाँ से आया, ये तीर कहाँ, बुलेट कहाँ से आया था, right? So everybody sitting in the court were listening carefully. Okay, what will the king give the justice? But king gave the justice of what? किंग ने क्या जस्टिस दिया बेटा? किंग ने क्या जस्टिस दिया?
Come on the next day.
हाँ, no, but he will give the true justice. What did he say? जो भी होगा, he will give the true justice. Yes, whatever is true, right? Yes. Yes, Sahil, once again read the story, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Read the story and answer the question. There was once a king who lived in a grand palace. There was a river.
Sahil, Sahil, 1 minute. Huh? If anyone has joined late to the class first lecture, then please pay attention. Here the revision of the story is going on. Okay? Yes, beta. To understand the lesson, it is very important that you pay attention from the first of this lesson. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Mehndi Raza is joined?
There was. Yes, ma'am. I am joined.
Okay, okay, good. Good morning, beta.
Good morning to you. मैम तो उस क्वीन का हुआ क्या?
आगे आएगा बेटा, डोंट वरी, आगे आएगा.
मैम read. There was once a king who lived in a grand palace. There was a river at a distance, where the village washerman village where the village washerman would wash clothes daily. One day the washerman and his wife were washing clothes till late and it grew dark. While they were returning home, suddenly a bullet came from the direction of the palace, which hit the washerman, killing him on the spot. On the next day, the washerman's wife went to the court to seek justice. The king listened to her carefully. She said, the bullet came from the direction of the palace only. The king thought over the matter for a while and asked her to come the next day. When the king investigated the matter, he found out that it was the queen who had fired the shot. She was fond of hunting, but had no intention of killing the washerman. The people of the village, including the washerwoman, went to the court the next day. She asked the king to give her justice. He reassured her, saying, I ensure that you get justice. Everybody was listening to this carefully.
Yes, understood. So what did king give? King gave her justice. भले एक दिन, 2 दिन, after 3 days or 4 days, she would get justice. ऐसी ensurity दी. जैसे हम भी कोर्ट में जाते हैं, then court also gives us justice. कि भी आपको न्याय मिलेगा. What will they say? That you will get justice. Yes. So this way she gets slowly and gradually she will get the justice. Anyways, she will get the justice. न्याय मिलेगा उसको, right? So this was all about that we saw in the story. Right now, yes. Can you see this picture on your screen? What is this picture known as, beta?
कानून अंधा होता है. Justice. Coordinates of justice.
Yes. What is this justice? What is this?
Goddess of justice.
This is known as goddess of justice. What it is known as, beta?
Goddess of Justice.
Goddess of justice.
हाँ, न्याय की मूर्ति क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
न्याय
न्याय की,
की
हाँ, गॉडेस ऑफ जस्टिस।
Statue of Justice.
हाँ, स्टेच्यू ऑफ जस्टिस भी बोल सकते हो ना, राइट? तो इस पिक्चर में देखो, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? व्हाट डू यू सी इन द पिक्चर? ओके, सो इन दिस पिक्चर बेटा वी कैन सी Austin. It is named as Austin. Austin. What it is named as, beta?
Austin.
Austin. What it is named as?
Austin.
Austin. Write down somewhere in your rough book, beta. रफ बुक में कहीं लिख डालो, रिटर्न।
Yes, ma'am. Written.
Yes, so it is Austin and it is the goddess of justice. What it is? It is the goddess of justice. You might be able to see it is blind folded. Can you see?
Yes.
Means what? उनकी आंखों पे पट्टी है कि नहीं?
Yes.
Yes. So she is
Yes.
blindfolded and there is a scale in her right hand. Yes, scale means you can see measuring scale, right? And हाँ, तराजू जैसा है ना?
तलवार जैसा है।
नहीं, scale means तलवार नहीं, scale means the measurement. You can see there is a scale in her right hand and a sword in her left hand. Can you see sword?
Yes.
है ना? So what does it indicate? That we will see now, right? Now what second question is, what is special about this idol? You can say what is different in this idol, right? So what it is, beta? Okay, unlike other idols, it is symbol of the process of justice. What it is, beta? किसका symbol है?
Process of justice.
Yes, like the other, even जैसे कोई ना कोई, जैसे Statue of Unity is what? Symbol of what? Unity, है कि नहीं?
Yes.
तो this is what? Symbol of what?
Justice.
हाँ, symbol for justice, right? And it is blind folded process of justice. Now next question is, what does it symbolize? है ना, ये क्या symbolize करता है? Anyone can say what does it symbolize? You can say anything.
Symbolize the justice.
Okay, symbolize the justice, पर कैसा justice? हाँ, justice कैसा?
Goddess. Goddess of
Okay, good.
Goddess of Justice
Okay.
is blind.
Okay, everyone is reaching the answer shortly. देखो, what does it symbolize? मैं बोलती हूँ, it symbolizes justice तो सही है, but impartial justice. What it is? Impartial justice, किसी के फेवर में नहीं, है ना? कि भाई this is my cousin, so I'll give in his favor. भले उसने मर्डर किया पर I'll give him in his favor. The justice ऐसा नहीं, right? Impartial justice without any partiality. आप लोग घर में बोलते हैं ना, जब छोटे भाई बहन से झगड़ा होता है तब क्या बोलते हो कि मम्मी आप तो हमेशा पार्शियल आंसर ही देते हो, हमेशा छोटे या बड़े का ही साइड लेते हो, ऐसा बोलते हो कि नहीं? हाँ, यस, यू से और नॉट? यस और नो?
Yes.
है ना? So that is what do you accept at that time? You accept, what do you accept? Impartial justice, right? Yes or no? Huh? So this statue indicates impartial justice. Okay. Now, beta, the next question is, why is the scale kept in the hand? Any ideas why the scale is kept in the hand? Huh? हाँ बच्चों, ये जो स्केल है, स्केल मीन्स के जो मेजरमेंट स्केल है, एनी आइडिया व्हाई इट इज केप्ट इन द हैंड? हाँ, चलो कोई ट्राई तो करो, एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू आंसर.
Idle balance.
हाँ, फॉरवर्ड. Yes, why is the scale kept in her hand? No one will try also? No problem, chalo, I'll only say. See, why is the scale kept in her hand? In one hand, a scale in the right hand of the idol. What does it signify, beta? It signifies balance approaches of the judges. Okay, what does it signify? Balance approach of the judges. Okay, and she will be giving the proper, court will be giving the proper verdict. Okay, yes. Now the next question. What does the sword in the hand of the idol symbolizes? Can you say sword? Other hand?
Yes.
है ना? So what does it symbolizes? Any idea?
सजा देने के लिए.
Huh? Yes, 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 you were right somewhat. Say in English, speak in English, okay?
सजा देने के लिए. For punishment.
Yes. Punishment to whom?
जो भी केस हार जाता है उसे पनिशमेंट मिलती है.
In the other words, in English, if you want to say, then what you will say? Huh?
अगर
Yes, try. Come on, try. You were right, Sahil. Okay. Now the sword in the left hand of the idol symbolizes punishment to the guilty. What does it symbolizes, beta?
Punishment to the
punishment to the
guilty.
guilty.
Yes, that if you are wrong, you will be given punishment. Right? Punishment to the guilty. Right? Now the next question. What is the next question?
What is the idol known as?
Yes, what is the idol known as? So, beta, the idol here in the picture, no, is known as the is
Goddess
known,
of justice.
Goddess of
yes, is
justice.
known by the name of goddess Austin. Austin.
Austin.
Austin. Okay. Yes. Next question, beta.
Why is the scale in their hand all the idol balance?
Huh. Yeah. Why is the scale in the hand called idol balance? Balanced मतलब देखो, when you go to buy potatoes, you might have seen this. Have you seen or not?
Yes.
तो एक साइड अगर 1 किलो का वजन रखे तो दूसरी साइड हमें क्या मिलता है? सेम वी गेट 1 किलो पोटैटोज ऑन द नेक्स्ट
Wait.
साइड
मैम
और
वो
वट एवर.
उसका वो आता है.
क्या? कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश बेटा. what you are saying?
Wait.
हाँ, तो what do you get? Both the side equal you get or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? One side 1 kg measurement is there, and one side 1 kg apple or banana is there. Then you get the same things, right? So, beta, what does it symbolize is that the scale in the hand of the idol is balanced. Means what does it indicate? It indicate balance in the process of justice. What does it indicate, beta? Balance. कि गिल्टी को सजा मिलेगी और जो सही है उसको न्याय मिलेगा. Yes, guilty will be punished, and the person who is not guilty will get what? Will get proper judgment. Yes or no?
Justice.
Justice. Yes or no? So this way it indicates balance. What does it indicate? Balance in the process of justice. Yes, understood?
Yes.
Okay, chalo, next question.
Why is the goddess of justice blindfolded?
Okay, so what can be the answer for this? Any guesses? Huh? Okay. Blindfolded goddess of justice indicates absence of likes and dislikes. I like him and I don't like him. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. What it is blindfolded. उन्होंने आंखों पे पट्टी बांध रखी है. Likes and dislikes नहीं देखते. Prejudice and favor भी नहीं देखते. In imparting justice to one and all. Understood? मतलब कि आमारो भालो ना आमारो दौलो ऐसा नहीं. Right? Everyone is equal. Because why? She is not watching the appearance. है ना? वो सजा कैसे देते हैं on the basis of the court, on the basis of the presentation of the lawyers, right? So what it is blindfolded. Understood? Means indicate, what does it indicate? Absence of likes and dislikes. क्या indicate करता है बेटा? Blindfoldness क्या indicate करता है?
Like and dislike.
Absence of likes and dislike. Presence नहीं.
Hmm.
What will it indicate बेटा?
Absence of
Absence
like
of
and
like and
dislike.
dislike.
હા કે ભાઈ જैसे અરે આ તો મારો નાનો દીકરો છે આ તો મારો મોટો દીકરો છે then in our house when there is a fight between two brothers and sisters then what will mama say the first will say what will she say કે ભાઈ જવા દે ને ભાઈ નાનો છે હે ને she will say no this words yes or no
Ah,
Yes.
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 તું તો મોટો છો જવા દે ને હવે એ તો નાનો છે है ना but in court as this goddess of austin goddess of justice is blindfolded she will never see all these things right means what our justice is uni based right it will not see likes or dislikes it will not prejudice and favor any in imparting justice to one and to all is it clear to all of you हाँ बेटा
What, ma'am?
clear till here
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
yes what is the next question
Why does she not give a wrong verdict?
sorry why does the
Why
sorry
does she why does she not give a wrong verdict?
हाँ वो wrong verdict क्यों नहीं देते because you know beta the goddess of justice मतलब the goddess Austin cannot do injustice why she cannot he or she cannot do injustice because all are equal before law 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 and every case is decided impartially on its merit. Understood? Therefore, we can say injustice is not dealt to any person. Why? Because in our constitution it is mentioned. What it is mentioned? Okay, there is no small or no big. है ना? Written or not in our constitution if you remember I had explained you in 6th class our rights and duties याद है किसी को याद है बेटा आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू एनी राइट्स और ड्यूटीज पर ऐसा कुछ याद है जो हमने किया था कि वी ऑल आर
Yes.
इक्वल है ना we all are equal right so this way what does it in why does it not give wrong verdict beta huh why does it not give wrong verdict
Because all
because
are equal.
yes all are equal now observing this picture I will like to you all to present one by one answers for these questions what you understood in I explained you आपको क्या समझ में आया what did you understand but in English language okay who will say the first questions answer I'll help you if you are wrong I'll help you if you are not able
What
to
do
reach
you see in the picture?
हाँ
Goddess of justice.
Yes, and it is known as.
Goddess
Goddess
of
of
steel.
Austin.
Yes, Austin, Austin. Very good. Yes, next question. Someone else will try.
What
What is
special about
special
this
for
idol?
the idol?
Sorry. Huh. What is the special about this idol? Yes, who will say?
She is the justice of idol. Idol of justice.
Hmm. Very good. Anyone else would like to try? Huh? It is a process of justice, symbol of the process of justice. What it is, beta? क्या है
Process
ये?
of justice.
Yeah, symbol for the process of, unlike other idols, right? Yes, next question. Mehndi Raza will try. भले wrong हो, try तो करो. I'll help you, no, beta?
What does it symbolize?
हाँ. What does it symbolize? Come on, try.
Goddess of Austin.
Huh? Yes, what does it symbolize?
Goddess of Austin.
Impartial justice it symbolizes. What it symbolizes, beta? Impartial justice. Is it clear, everyone?
Partial justice.
Yes, these questions will be doing in the next class also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh? I think lecture has got over, no?